Hi, good morning, traders. Welcome to the stream. Hope you guys had a great overnight session and welcome to the morning session. Hope you guys are ready for a fantastic trading day because I am. Welcome to Delta X Delta X live stream hosted by me, Coach Rez. All right, for the morning session, it's Tuesday, May 5th, 2026. And the fragile peace in the Straits of Hormuz is being tested by fire. Despite the ceasefire holding on paper, reports of South Korean ship explosions and drone fire at the UAE have markets on edge this morning. The Nasdaq is currently fighting a hangover after yesterday's record high attempt was met with a midday fade. We are walking into a highly volatile session where the headlines are moving faster than the charts. The Nasdaq Composite closed yesterday at 25,0667, failing to sustain the morning's breakout. Pre-market action is heavy as hot war risk returns to the forefront of the narrative. All right, team. So the Nasdaq is currently trading at 27,978. The Middle East is boiling. The Straits of Hormuz is the wild card. And what is Wall Street doing? They are buying every single dip in the mega cap. We are sitting just 22 points away from 28,000 psychological barrier. This is a classic short trap melt up. Let's break down the Caramarilla level so you know exactly where the liquidity rests this morning. The Nasdaq, we're trading at 27,978, which means we have already broken out above our standards. Resistance level, we are in expansion zone. Here's your roadmap for the bell. Sorry, team, I've got a friend of mine messaging me right now asking me a quick question, so I think they're looking for me. Let's see. Fight. Get Nacho on here. All right, Nacho. All right, cool. Let me can get to my DMs. There we go. So fam, you streaming today? Yes, sir. You know, I'm probably gonna work on my social that way folks can find me easier. Anywho, all right, let's get back into the rest of the news for the morning section. The squeeze target resistance 4 at 28,055. We are above resistance 3, which means 28,055 is the mathematical breakout target, with a 28,000 psychological level sitting right in the way. Expect massive turbulence and option dealer hedging if we cross that whole number. The new floor, 27,940. This is a resistance and it must act as our support today. If we get a morning pullback at the open, watch for dip buyers to aggressively defend the 27,940 line. The daily pivot, 27,825. If we push 28K, if the 28K push is a massive fake out and the algorithmic volume reverses, this is our safety net. Flush targets, support 3 and support 4, 27,710, 27,595. We only look at these levels if a black swan headline drops and momentum breaks. The trade plan, do not step in front of the freight train trying to be a hero and pick a top. I am watching for a retest of 27,940. If that level holds, we will go up, targeting 28K for the break. Economic news and the micro divergence. Why is tech ripping while the world is on its edge? It's a massive divergence trade. The safe haven tech bid. Despite yesterday's ship explosion in the Straits and the UAE drone interception, capital is fleeing international markets and parking in US equities. Institutional money views AI infrastructure and mega cap sheets as ultimate bunker. ADP pre-employment precursor. We have labor dropping this morning. The market is heavily front-running Friday's non-farm payroll. Any sign of labor cooling will fuel the rate cut narrative, adding more gas to the tech fire. Sorry, I just had some friends asking me why I wasn't at Blue Sky. So I guess not all my friends have heard I'm not at Blue Sky anymore. All right, let's see what we're mega caps bumper. ADP employment precursor. We have major labor data. Okay, so we already talked about that. All right, we're front running the rate cut narrative, which I don't think we're gonna have a rate cut. If anything, I see a rate hike. You know, I've been saying that for a while. Geopolitical floor. Washington's posture regarding the recent Straits attack is keeping a floor under defense contractors and energy, but tech is absorbing the excess liquidity. Crude oil WTI 111.80. Oil is consolidating just under $112 after yesterday's volatile spike. The war premium is fully priced in right now based on the active drone strikes and ship damage. Early traders are holding their breath. If the US Navy officially announces a retaliatory escort mission today, WTI will instantly test 115. Gold 4,865 an ounce. Gold is chopping sideways. It is getting pulled in different directions, and the geopolitical terror wants to push it to 5,000. But this massive risk on tech squeeze is dragging capital away from precious metals. Unless we get a major escalation in headlines, gold will likely range bid today while the Nasdaq steals the show. We are 15 minutes from the bell, team. When an index approaches a major round number like 28,000, the price action gets erratic. Widen your stops, respect the resistance support 3, and don't force a trade in the opening volume if the opening volume is a mass. Let's hunt these setups. Good luck, traders. Welcome again to Delta X. Man, I'm so used to seeing Blue Sky. Welcome to Delta X. Let's get that bread. Let's make some money, team. Thanks again for joining. If you guys got questions, want me to take a look at a ticker, drop that in the chat. Love to answer any and all questions you guys have. I'm going to get my algo engine out. Algos ran me pretty good this morning. We're sitting up about $344 in this account for the morning session. All right, let's see here. What are we gonna log into? Okay, I'm logging into this. See here. Ah, it's on there. I just don't see it. I don't know why it doesn't want to pull up my chart. Dude, I pull up my chart. Oh my goodness. I hate this thing. I'm just trying to get on my balance sheet right now. That's what I'm trying to do so I can get it up, see where y'all can see it. But I don't know the fuck it won't show up. This biatch. I see it, but I don't know why it just won't pop up in this bullshit. It's gonna be like this all the goddamn time. Try this. Nope. I just can't get that damn thing to pop up. Let's try that. Okay. I still don't even see it. It didn't even show it on there. And then I do trade and rate, right? Well, it looks like I'm not getting a balance on there today for you folks. Maybe I can get rid of this. Let me get rid of this. Yeah, let me just delete it. Let me add it again. Window capture. I'm gonna call it. Let's see if this works. Ah, there it is. All right, team, I got some friends looking for me, so I'm sending some links to them out, so that way if they want to come in and pop in, they're more than welcome to. So we'll see. I'm pretty excited about that. Some of my friends joining me. Six minutes away. Looking pretty nasty with this resistance here. Okay, the music isn't too loud in the background. That's great. Let's see what we have on the economic calendar for today. We got PMI numbers here dropping in about 20 minutes. Building permits just dropped. That's not much of anything. You know, really, I'm looking for jolts. You know, that's going to be the big kicker. We got new home sales. What else do we got? We got 6-week bond auction, Fed speaker. I said it last week. I was really waiting for non-farm. That's really what I'm looking for this week. It's all gonna be about that. It's all about Friday. Nice little slow grind up to the upside. We had a killer day yesterday's session. Did you guys catch some of my algo trading later in the afternoon? I got the stream running for the rest of the afternoon today. Anybody wanted to follow along with some of my algos in the overnight? You know, I've got some friends that have been asking about, you know, what we use and stuff like that. So, you know, now I'm able to share that a lot more than what I was before. So really excited about that. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have a killer day. You know, my options trading yesterday was just fucking on fire. We made some good money all the way across the border. You know, the PAs nice and green, evals nice and green. Yeah, you can see there this 50K. Look at that, man. We're just less than $1,000 away from passing this damn thing now. Amazing, right? Yeah, we're pretty close to getting this one passed. That'd be pretty sweet. Well, I guess it's more than $1,000. I need roughly another $1,000 to pass this damn thing. Fuck. No pressure, right, guys? No pressure passing the eval, right? All right, and ding, ding, ding. There's your bell team. Good luck to you all today. Intel starting to rip. Ethereum above 2.4K. Ethereum ripping to the upside. Hearing Intel and Apple are ripping towards the upside right now. There's a little bit of news on the street that there might be some type of partnership working out with them. A little bit of a rejection right there here at the open. Hey, good morning, guys. I just sounds good. I'll be looking forward to hanging with you this evening then, son. Brother up yet? Yeah. Wow, man, that's it's smelling nice. It's smelling nice there.
And you know, it's so that's fun.
And it's good. Well, it's early for me, and it's a little early. It's not strong though. And my office is so small.
Yeah, it's like everything's too fast.
Yeah,
I get it.
Got it. Well, you guys have a good day and stuff. You smell nice though. You smell nice. What's up, Maximum?
Good morning, buddy. You office is how's it going?
We're up $344 from the overnight. So we're doing all right now. So just kind of started off the session with the streams. So
How's it going? We'll let you be so that way you can focus on it.
got it, guys.
We'll be, I don't know how. Love you. Love you.
Hey, what's up, Kat? Good morning. What is up, Kat? How's it going? I hear ya. it's open. Hex, yeah, we are. Yeah, I should have a couple of friends joining. They're trying to get into the Discord right now. Mm-hmm.
So my Mo play is doing what I think it's doing,
Yeah.
which right now it's forming a head and shoulders, which I know what that does. So it looks like, according to the thinking, yeah, I'm still supposed to hold this. According to the system, I'm supposed to hold this. So, I'm gonna agree with it now.
Yeah, I would too. I'm gonna turn on some of my other algos right now.
I saw it forming yesterday a little.
1 wonder if Tiffany got in here. Let's see if she even see it. Member. I don't see her. Oh, there's somebody in the Discord that's a scammer. Uh-huh. He's got my name too. Got my avatar and everything. Yeah, I'm gonna ban him right now. All right, let's turn on. Turn this on. Damn, look at that candle, man. We're fucking ripping. Man, that is a hell of a candle.
Should be all tech. Right. Every tech should be making the same kind of move for the most part if they're leading AI. Like, I think the only people who shouldn't be making that move is
Or crude oil.
well, I mean, tech. I mean, like, anybody with AI who's doing well in AI should be making this huge deal. Because it's because
Mm-hmm.
what did they fucking announce? Company tapping into the international bond market.
Hmm.
So watch the bonds. And watch the equity. But everybody should be getting hyped up for that. Big money's gonna take advantage of that and be like, nah, dude. Lower price
It's insane. I don't know why I don't see my YouTube stream chats. Where's that? Ah, there it is. I got a few friends watching us from the streams. They're struggling with some of the Discord updates. It seems like a lot of people are struggling with the damn Discord updates. You know, Kat?
I mean, yes and no. I don't really have issues with it. I just don't update it enough regularly because there's an update fucking every day. Because it's such an awful piece of hardware or software. Damn, I put TBIV in the morning. Or all that fucking shit.
Mm.
Which is fine. I don't mind that they get crushed because they just go back. But like, it's confusing for a minute.
What I was doing last night is I've been playing what do they call them? Scam coins.
Damn coins?
Yeah, I've been the pump it. Well, I've been doing the pump and dump coin. Yeah, I've been playing the pump and dump coins on Pump Fun. So I was doing that I've been practicing on that for like the last like 2 weeks, because scalping in those areas is just kind of cool. Yeah, it's just kind of fun. And it's so easy to double and triple your money in just seconds. Obviously, you can lose all that money in seconds, but if you manage this.
$50 or something, it's really,
Yeah, some of the guys I was talking to yesterday, they were trading for like 6-7 hours and they were up like $1,000.
oh yeah.
I was like, damn, that's not bad. Oh, car is down 5%, down to 159. Yeah, we're still waiting for PMI to drop here in just a few minutes. Yeah, we got a little bit of news. Yeah, we got a little bit of news. So it sounds like they're front running that. Should be slightly below estimates. And don't forget, you got Jolts also, Cat. So 15 minutes, I believe. Let me check the calendar. Yep. Damn. There's gonna be no breaks on this thing today. It looks like, Cat.
That's what they want to do, man. Let them have their euphoria, brother. Because you know what happens when they have their euphoria? The shit just comes back down.
Mm-hmm.
And then what? We go back up.
We get the staircase up and the elevator right down, right? Hopefully. Dang, look at that. We just stopped right at the orb 15 minute. Yeah, so this is your orb high right here. There's your orb low. So it's a 15-minute orb. So we just got stopped right at it.
Yeah, okay. Let's see what happens. Probably.
Hmm.
That was a lot of volume in that one candle. You know,
Yeah, no shot.
you see, like how fat that candle is compared to the rest of your candle.
It's the volume, but it's the opening. It's the opening candle, so it's gonna be like that.
But like, what is that 16 opening look like? Or not 16, that fucking 5. Yeah, we got it. We're coming all the way back down.
You want your engulfing candle?
Do I? I do, but
Shit.
he did not do the thing.
Dang. They did. Oh, 10. You think we're gonna engulf this candle cat?
Honestly, man, it's hard to tell with tech reacting to the AI news like they are, right? Like at this moment.
Mm-hmm. Let's take a look at the options chain.
Kind of pumping, you know. Options are like crushed right now, so like all my options look like shit today. And these are now on all of them.
Hmm.
169. I'm over here just selling the market, just like
Working right now for you. I mean, I'm looking at the Qs right now. There's a lot more towards. I mean, there's like one out the money on the calls for the Qs. There's like 18,000 open interest, and there's nothing like that on the sell side right now. Like the market is very much tilted towards the upside.
oh, absolutely. These are very select few things with other events going on, like earnings and dividends. Is that it? Is that your sell?
No, Algo just went into a buy.
Okay. Maybe it'll pick up and keep going. Maybe it'll keep rolling. Maybe they're that hype about fucking international bond money, dude. Maybe they just really are that hype about that. You know what I mean? Let them be excited, dude.
Yeah, we already took profit on that trade. We're up 12 bucks in the PA. Not bad. 338 for the day already up. Yeah, what a boring morning. Oh, we got 1 minute till the news drops. Well, Trump is signing a proclamation on camera today as well.
What's the new PMI you said?
All below estimates. It looks like the opening range is holding up pretty well. Should see 28,130 on the NAS towards the upside. As long as we hold above the orb, you know that? Damn, cat. This is boring.
Yep, it's gonna be.
This is such a boring session, bro. Need something to look at. Wonder if we'll consolidate here and make a little bull flag here on the 15. What's up, JD? How's it going, bro? Good to see you. Good morning.
Morning.
How's your morning trade session going for you?
Oh, just popping a couple runners and Riot, looking for that squeeze. And market, I was looking at a few names, but I didn't pull the trigger.
Right on.
Is one, and MU is the other.
Oh, okay. You know what? Kat was talking about Riot yesterday.
I was looking at it. Yeah. Did you see something that I didn't?
Dude, it popped like $1.
Ah, there it is. Yeah.
It popped almost, well, it popped better than $1.
There was a signal yesterday that it was going to happen, or 2 days ago.
Yeah, there's a few. I got in last week actually.
So then I'm
Dang.
I try to ride it up to like the $20 2050 area, and then I'm gonna see if we can come back down.
Yeah,
Because they like to ride real hard, real high, and then like fucking drop that shit hard.
it no doubt could be a great short, but they're opening gamma at 22. Obviously, the easy target is 20. That was my target last week.
Oh yeah, 20 easy.
These are just free runners. I played the move last week. I don't remember what I did on it, but it was probably 7x or something.
Nice.
What'd you get in at? Like 11, 12, 15?
Let me look at my notes.
Yeah, no, you're good.
We had a couple weddings this weekend, and I did a lot of good wins. Still really recovering through last night. No one to talk to last night. Last second.
Nice. Who'd you go see last night?
Wells, a guy from my wife likes in Clearwater, Florida.
Ah, cool.
So a girl I never heard of opened, and this rapper guy I never heard of, and they're both really good. He's like an R&B. It was a good time. We had some great martinis and fish food and seafood beforehand. Let me see here. Go to my notes. Being so busy in the wedding business, so we're so busy this time of year.
Oh, that's cool. My mom used to own a decorating business. She used to do weddings, quinceaneras, and stuff like that when I was younger.
My wife loves it and keeps her on.
It was fun. Yeah, it was fun. Hmm. She did it for a good amount of years.
We had flow yesterday. Just noticed. We had a block trade activity, 500,000, 10 million yesterday.
Wow.
So my entries posted right update May 1st. But I know you know, it doesn't matter what issue post there.
Oh yeah.
System's working amazing. So Riot history entries on. It's all on May 1st. I just my strategy is always I'm looking for like these potential ripper squeezes.
Oh, yeah.
Typically in the names that are like like you know it'll be up 7 to 30% in a day on the stock, but I get in like in the first 15 minutes or whatever. And if I have to, I may have to wait for a retrace and add DCA. But usually I'm in the biggest ripper or top 2 for sure. And then hardest part is predicting how far the squeeze will go, right? So because of that, I just get out when I sort of hit the T1, make the trade free, and then I'll stay in runners if news or macro comes in, or if it looks really good, like more gamma for next week. I'll leave runners, but typically I'll just get out of the trade because you know there's so much negative news. We're always a tweet away. So, like I said, you're down half a percent, and then your options that were expiring Friday or whatever. So I just get in, get out, and make sure my runners are free, and generally very small size runners, not or less. They'll often go to zero, but you know you get busy. You forget to look. You're excited about the next thing you're looking at, and you're like, oh crap. I shouldn't have left so many runners. Those were $1 yesterday. Got in at 13 cents, 23 cents, and then now they're 5 cents, 10 cents, whatever. But you have to have a discipline on the runners. Whenever the runners don't work, you always go, I wish I took more off.
It's always like the hindsight.
Just a little bit of greed. And when you go 10 or 20x on a trade, even less than 10 or 20% on it as runners is kind of inconsequential. But the next day, when you're looking, you're like, oh man, those were up 5x, 10x, and now they're negative 90%. Look like they're going to zero. And when they expire on Friday at zero, you just kind of like scratch your head and go, is the runner's idea strategy a good one? Because I'm playing squeezes, and squeezes always retrace. So, but anyway, good problem to have. How you guys been doing?
Been doing all right, just running through it, daily and stuff.
I did a stint doing prop firm. That was a new venture for me.
Yeah.
Right out Lucid. You guys trade futures?
Yeah, I'm trading futures right now. I trade a mixture of futures, options, crypto. So it just depends on the time of day and what I have going.
Exactly. There's a little bit of a learning curve. The system can kind of predict what's going to move next. So like we're going to get a big crude move or a big metals move, gold or silver.
Really?
I tried doing some of that.
Mm-hmm.
Sucked. I blew my my prop thing. 3 out of 7 of the accounts I tried. I was trading what are they 250 increments or something. I forget 150. Anyway, the largest increment you can buy, and then it sucked because you can't make too much money. My sizing wasn't too appropriate, so it was like 10 grand so fast. You can't make 4K.
Yeah. Yeah, the consistency rules are a pain in the ass, you know? They screw up a lot of folks just because of, you know,
That's hard.
a lack of experience, you know, because when you first start trading, you don't ever have any of those rules. So then to flip over to trading, you know, the props and have all these generic rules that don't exist in the free market, it creates a very different experience for a trader. You know, you can get caught up in it, you know.
Yeah, it's definitely interesting. It's interesting that fight, you know, seeing this trade that you're like, that is $100,000 trade, and you know, you blow your account taking a tenth of it. And it's like, oh. So I kept making too much money. I figured I better get this sizing thing down nailed. Just finally switched over to micros, and then I got a little bit. I'll get back to it hopefully next week or two. Need more time.
That's definitely the way to do it. Mini micros always recommended to traders that are struggling or trying to find their edge. You know, start off with mini micros. I personally prefer a mini micro myself, you know.
Yeah, I should have asked some experienced traders that somebody's doing a lot of. They all do prop too well. You know, clear 20, 30, 40 every month consistently, and didn't. I was like, really? You trade micros? Like, yeah, I only take one. Yes, here my start now. Like grabbing my hand.
It's a less stressful trade, you know, but it all comes down to, you know, having a trade plan and, you know, practicing those trades and stuff like that. So you can start getting lined up for that stuff, you know.
Yeah, I need the practice. And, scaling I had down, but you on an options account, you're willing to take drawdown intraday when you see these clear targets, and of course it's similar with then you have with the prop firm, you know, you blow it on these wicks, get the tweet.
Mm-hmm.
Or like on options when you trade your own money, oh wow, sweet, an opportunity, full port.
Yeah, that
$1 or $2,000, like a full port, and buy a bunch of these on that wick.
I mean, that's what happened to me last week. What we had we had some of those news headlines that dropped on Friday, and you know the market was so wicky. I was able to knock out a couple of 50Ks, like half of the requirement. You know, I nailed like 3 accounts, like 1.2K, like fast.
I like that environment when it's fast. I discovered that it solidified that I love the fast move. I love to be able to trade. I love to be able to trade it done in a minute. And it's all day trades, and then the surprise wicks. So it's fast because it requires just a lot more focus and effort and time.
Mm-hmm.
That's where it gets stressful. You get a phone call, you know, you have to deal with something to put a fire on the business.
Yeah. Oh, I know that.
Sucks. So I love this volatile market, and I used to trade VIX a lot.
Hmm.
So,
Yeah, I'd love to learn more about your scanner. I trade options all the time. So, to have a little feedback and, find someone that's got their own little edge to it. I kind of stepped away from doing options as much because I was working at Blue Sky. So we didn't do options there. So I had to really focus on futures in the morning session. So I kind of kind of fell off on the options side, and I'm trying to get back in the swing of things.
well, just I think, and I haven't noticed a clear pattern yet, but because I've been stepping away so much in this environment, in fact, let me go. I started to look at something today. I think they've changed some of the algo programming, or AI has gotten, it's AI is, it's always just trying to get a step or two ahead of us. I think I noticed, and check it out. What I thought was true. It's as though this might be a pattern developing. Second. Well, you call me back in about 10 minutes. I don't have they're remembering $600 recovering from the weekend Monday. So let me go back a few days on my data points and see what I'm seeing. Okay. There's it's just an observation on the different cycles where you get one or two
Mm-hmm.
week cycles, and then the algos will run a pattern. Like for example, to zoom in like a riot, so you get this move up, then you get a retrace or a red day, I think on riot yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, got okay. And so like that sort of pattern with the names I'm tracking, I'm just isolating like 1% of the market in my scanner. Very
Mm-hmm.
small part. Like you asked about my scanner, the main thing is focusing on IB contraction. If I look at a 2-year period of IB, and if we have to be 0.5 or less, I have no interest in trading options on anything above 0.5. It's got to be, below 50% of what IB has been the last 2 years. Because what I'm looking for is IB explosion. That's my strategy. I start there by eliminating every name that's already can continue, after the explosion. But who wants to buy $7 contracts or buy stuff with crappy spreads? So we make crappy spreads and eliminate that. Anyway, that's one of the main things. So when you lose, you're losing on options you got in below 40 cents. That's my main strategy. That won't work for a lot of people because once feels a little time coming in on your end.
Be back in just a second. Gonna grab another cup of coffee.
short there. Okay, no, we're up.
drop down that I was looking for.
All right, sorry about that, guys. I am back.
Meow, 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 meow. Yeah, welcome back.
I think it was too much coffee for me.
I will drink more than coffee to that.
Oh my God. I don't need no more coffee. Oh, well, maybe.
Amazon
Oh, we took another trade. Oh, look at that. We're up $42 in this eval. Not winning any prizes here, though, with that.
Bro, I think this algo might just be like an earnings dividend algo at this point. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, it does have other signals that are outside earnings, but they happen pretty close to earnings all the time. Once I get actual real data back flowing, like, when I hone this in with more linear regression, I'll figure it out. But what a crazy thing to find. It sucks on TradingView because TradingView doesn't give me all the shit that I need to actually calculate things properly. So
What's going on with Poet? P-O-E-T.
I was looking at that one too the other day. What was I looking at? Oh, that's why I was looking at it, because it was definitely like pump and dump. What the fuck, you know? No idea, dude. It's definitely blow off tops. I would
Yeah.
definitely, yeah. But
It didn't meet all my criteria, but it hit my scanner this morning. I'll show you. What I put in the trading today.
yeah, it's pumping it. I had the signal 2 days ago.
Yeah, it's been a while actually.
Yeah, 2 days ago I had the signal to take that one. The pump right before that, if you know.
Not the one last fall.
I had a
Right.
signal for that, but it was a long ass ride. I wouldn't say maybe it's been a long ass ride. Went off here so let's see what we got in here.
Why don't you send me a link so I can show you this list of the names I had today? I've got so many things open. If someone want to send me a link, I'll show you the list of all the names.
A link to what?
I don't know where we're at. I've got so many lists.
Oh,
I don't know if there's any links in it. I'll post it there.
I got it. How do I?
There you go.
It's a scam.
Yeah, right.
That guy says he doesn't DM anybody.
Who says that?
That's what my status or whatever says on my profile. I know DM you because I don't. There's people who impersonate.
I see that now. Report scam. Okay, I'll click add friends.
There's people who impersonate.
There you go. You them out because
Oh,
it's
no,
like,
no, no, no.
I send it to my PA guy. He's got to see the charts ahead of time, or he can't take squeezes, understandably. Because I'm like, see what I need. I'm like, oh god.
Oh, Wolf? Really? I was looking at Wolf.
I'm gonna step away for a second. I gotta take it. But,
Hey, what's up, Nacho? Good to see you. Good morning. Welcome to the stream, my friend.
I am gonna watch it. That's a good one. I was thinking about looking at that too. I looked at coin recently.
scared of those put in SDR, but they've been hitting the scanner.
Yeah, I mean, I stay kind of away from most of the financial sector, but like, they do things.
Yeah. Caught bull. Weeks ago.
Yeah, I was looking at Bolt too. These have, for some reason, all been on my. I wonder if they all have earnings like, are coming up.
My scanner doesn't work as well.
You're right.
Right. So
Really?
kind of back off. Yeah, I kind of back off a bit. Well, what I do is when it obviously you can pick a run into ER, but it's called gambling ER mostly. But during ER season, because of the exploding IV, I tend to just add to my process. Okay, do that ER after the bell. Let's make sure we're out of these. Let's make sure.
Whoop I had on my radar, and I just looked at it today, and it's still on my radar. And the contract I was gonna get now.
Yeah, so sometimes they move too fast. I think that's
it's
why.
okay.
This reason I've been trying to. Well, I've been doing all kinds of testing. That's a
Yeah.
Oh, come on, man. Give me that wake up real quick so I can take my profit and get out of this. Oh, what a fucked up range. It's like yesterday, Cat. Yesterday was just as shitty, man. But I want a ripper, man. I get what you mean. Welcome back.
Yeah, so that picture is just like I put together a pre-move list of things he can kind of go do his TA on, draw his charts on, so that he's kind of ready. And then everybody's got their style. So but that effort has actually proven to be one of the better ways to figuring out what might be the best name.
Yeah.
Market. I mean, obviously, volume and percentage has always been a winner. We've been it for a long time, for decades. It's been a great way to predict what might move well, really well is to make this week. But I've not found a way to isolate sort of what would be my top three picks out of these 10 or 20 names this week outside of percentage uptick being fortunate been the best way for me to consistently find the biggest rippers are. I was hoping I could do it another way. I've been doing a year testing on all kinds of stuff, but nothing's panned out. Close ones.
What have you been testing?
Of scammers from other people.
Ah.
Most of the things. I probably have that I like the best before just this.
Huh.
It's got to hit your scanner sort of in a bullish way.
Mm-hmm.
So it's, and then it'll be in like my top 100 names. Let's say 50 maybe. When I get some confluences for what I call dreamy flow, sort of some really light near dated call flow. This works best with calls, by the way, honestly. Then it depends what your macro is doing. So if we're sort of hit resistance and we're going to get a pullback in the indexes, say we got a 0.75%, anywhere from a half to 3/4, whatever, 1% pullback, sort of a mini bear trap, a failed breakdown, sort of a bullish scenario.
Mm-hmm.
As we come down, this velocity and acceleration goes negative, and I just take, when I get that negative number, if I have the other confluences, then you get a super great discount, and velocity number would be a pretty good ripper. Of course, you always have to have more sort of dreamy flow, call flow come in, near dated calls, and money out the money this week, next week. That's what you're looking for. That's the best. You marry that with where market makers are positioned and what they may or may not need to do, some of the dark pools. Consider that. Marry them all together for the confluence, for the squeeze potential. Short days to cover is great. High short squeeze setup where you get a lot of shorts in, especially like you get a scenario get 3 or 4 days or less to cover. This is great on a Wednesday, Thursday, and then you get the market maker offsides with the gamma, and then you get these 30% days in like. I asked AI, and it had on. I've been messing with AI too, asking rallies and stuff to see. Give them 5 or 10 names. Give me an example of that. Keep it simple, stupid, right?
That's what they say. No, I didn't see us, but I wasn't looking too much at the ticker scanner for the day. I was really worried. It's my second day back here in Delta X, so I'm still kind of getting my bearings back here. But hopefully by Thursday I'll be ready to rock and roll. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it does sound like you got some good weather going. I use a few different services. I've got a custom I've got a custom OpenClaw agent that I work with in my Discord chat. So she does a lot of different things for me. She does Polymart trading on weather algo. So she's got a weather algo she trades. She also scans DEX screeners for pump and dump coins that we can trade. And then she also gives me like my Camarilla levels, and then also does like scanners, and she'll catch things in the market and send me messages to, take a look at and stuff. So yeah, I personally use a lot of AI. I think Cat's working on some other stuff as well. He's got some really cool models he's been working on the last couple of months. Oh man, the AI tools are just so cool. Now we can kind of leverage ourselves just like, institutions, and now it's not just them, now we have those type of tools available to us. Be back in just a second. Okay. All right, I'm back. The wife just got back. Mostly Spencer. Oh man, I should have bought more of that. Not bad. $76 up in this account. I'm having a pretty good day. Still in it. Yeah. Come on, baby. Get that wick up. Mm. Well, look at that. We're at the top of the hour now. We've got about 30 minutes left for the London close team. So if you guys are watching the stream, hope you guys have enjoyed the stream so far. Been making a little bit of money so far here in the morning session. Taking it easy with mini micros. If you guys have any questions, like me to take a look at a chart or a ticker, or enjoy some of the chat that me and some of my other trader friends have going on, jump in the Discord. We'd love to have you here and talk about all things trading and, help fellow traders in the community. Of course, free of charge. I don't charge for anything because I don't sell anything. So where are we up? 63. So a Hondo and two PAs. A Hondo and two PAs. The evals are up. I'm just gonna go for it. Getting buy signals here on the NAS. Let's go. Moon this thing. It's about dang time.
cautioned on MSTR. Looks like we got 46 million in call premium for July. 180
In the money, you say?
I got a modest change scanner, 46.5 million on MSTR 180 at 186 for July 17th. And Poets getting July 17th, 1.9 million.
Hmm.
34% now.
Wow. $543 up for the day. Shit, I've already made what I made yesterday. I was up 540, 524 yesterday, and I'm up 543 today. Not bad.
Don't stop putting it off. I need to get some stuff done. Get one guy.
Yeah, absolutely. Stop in tomorrow. I'd love to talk to you about your scanner and see what you got on your scanner for tomorrow.
Yeah, you're an addict still, right? With loans?
I'm sorry, what was that?
You in loans room? Addict? Discord room?
No, I don't think so.
Should post stuff in there.
Yeah, shoot me a link. I'll check out the room. I don't think I'm in that Discord. Yeah, I shot you a friend request as well.
I thought he had set up Delta.
That would be Apple bottom.
Apple bottom. Yeah, as a loan form. Cool. Cool. Well, I won't be around much this week at all. Been a couple updates on scanner, but hopefully next week things will slow down a little bit before we got two more daughters, but they're in high school graduation.
Ah.
With all the family.
Well, once a lifetime it comes, for the kids. So, hey, you keep being top dad out there, man. You keep being top dad.
Thanks. Why it's all my plan.
It's usually like that. We just show up, right? We just get dressed and show up.
Tell me what you want me to wear.
Yep. What time do I gotta be there, and what do you want me to wear?
You can't say it like that. You like that? Oh, you got this for me for Christmas? Can I wear that tonight? Later.
You got it, brother. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great one. And look at that.
London close. Let's see what you got on me, baby.
Yeah, we got 20 minutes more, and then I'll be jumping off the stream myself, cat.
Like 10 days minimum.
Right on.
Like literally, like my day, my like
That's the way to do it, man.
That's what the signal says, man. And the win rate and the sharp don't lie. Just figuring out how the options function inside of the play. I think I'm a little happy. Watching a couple on a watch list and stuff. Like, we would have bought one for $60, and now it's $1. Like, it should get up to like 120 bucks. Like,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it should get up to like 200 something. So like, you make like 220 bucks on it. But like, the win rate and shit doesn't lie. So you know, just a matter of figuring out the execution. That's really it, my man. Can't really throw too much money at it too quick.
No.
Because we're going into a fake out short.
Really? A fake out short. You know, the bad thing about where we're at is we already touched our levels on my Camarilla. So there's not really much left for upside. You might maybe get another.
It's saying that this volume is fake, like shorted. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, that's what I was saying. I was like, I don't know.
Short, 100% saying short. It's with you on that.
Yeah, usually we don't get much move beyond like the last TP. You might get a few points above, and then usually you'll get the regression, and you just kind of fall in.
I'm gonna take the short. It almost has higher conviction on it. That's funny to watch. Because the signal's not meant for the 15.
No.
No. But watching it on the 15-minute and seeing it and it not actually like printing that way is more useful than not. Because it's signaling that that's what's happening in that time. Right? Technically, at that peak. But if we're trading you only wants us to calculate based on price. How I want to calculate certain things. It just updates me.
No, that makes sense.
I'm gonna build my own with blackjack and hookers.
What?
So like my whole system is like I've got like a front end and a back end. Like my high is like fucking right now. I gave it overlog any of the symbols that I'm trying to build. So like
Mhm.
wow.
Wow.
I'm always capturing forward. Oh yeah, dude, this is a real quant system now. We're going top dog. So that's free. That's free. I just let that run.
That's cool.
Electricity, that'll fucking run. So any signals that I push forward, I capture through that, and then also like all the linear regression that I've done is just setting me up for doing agents. So now it's, like once I ensure that the signal works forward, I'm just gonna make an agent that can predict every, a bunch of agents that are experts in their own signal reading. Don't have to worry about any other signal, and they all just get to kind of have probabilistic tests on, well, how probable are we for each of us, and what is the accuracy, so that gives you the accuracy. covered is this is how equities move. Like there is no ifs, ands, or buts. As long as like even if the equity is doing good, it moves the same way going up as it does. It just looks messy as fuck. It's just messy.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Like it's gonna move this way. Like, and that's something funny that D4Z used to say all the time when he pulled up equities. He's like, this doesn't mean revert. He's wrong. But also he is, because it does. 100% it does. I have the math to back it up. Like, I have so much math to back it up. Anyway, we're gonna take this slide. And those are very high conviction.
Yeah, I was looking at the 520, the 721 SPY puts. They're sitting at like 35 cents. They're right at the opening gap to the downside. I'm wondering if we could take out, maybe head down south for a bit. It'd be the opening range. We'd be down to the orb. We'd be like at 27,970. I just don't know if they'll give us that. Well, on QQQ, the Qs would be that. SPY would be 721.
Okay, I can see 721. Especially with the, yeah. I can see that.
Not bad though. Between the two PAs, I'm up 110 bucks for the day. Like a little bit more. I'd like to see if maybe I could put at least 150 in each of my PAs. So we're coming up on that London close, baby. Yep, potato chip. And Google drops 5 coins. I can't help myself. You know me. Yep.
I'm here for this.
I know you can.
Volume fake out to find though.
Mm-hmm.
On the 15.
I got 10 minutes left for London close. What will those pesky Brits do for us?
They put money into it. I don't think they really win.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I don't know if they really win. I think they just put money in
Pretty much. I don't think we're gonna lose this, Cat. Looks like we might get that sell for the close of London. That'd be a nice little sell though, because there's some good levels you could take out to the downside. Open to buy. Did you already close that? Oh, there it is. I was like, where the hell is the buy? I knew it was there somewhere. I just didn't see it. Hopefully you get out before it's got nasty drawdown. Oh, well, I guess that's it for that one. We're out. Not bad. Hey Kat, so when are you gonna figure out a name for yourself for your rebrand? When are you gonna come up with a new name?
I just thought of it yesterday that come on, it's been a day. Give me a second.
Okay, okay. Oh, I know you will.
PBS books are worth money now, though. Wish I would have got them, but I don't at the same time.
Nice. Wow. So where's the next one? Yeah, I'm up 150 between my two PAs right now. I'm up ready to go switch over to some pump and dump coins though. I'm looking. Oh, we're $90 up in the Lucid account. Nice. Yeah, on this account, all I need is another, what, $400 and I pass this 25K. All right, traders, and if you have been hanging with us for the last, what is that, 2 hours? I hope you guys have been able to make some money off of my fantastic trades. Thank you for hanging with me, my great friend Kat, an awesome analyst, and DJ, wherever you are at. Hey, thank you for popping in the Discord. If you guys are looking for help and a mentor or a trading coach or someone to help you with your trading, jump in our Discord, hang with me and my friends in our great community here at Delta X. We are helping traders just like you find their edge each and every single day. Coaching, risk management, trade analysis, we're collaborating each and every single day. And you know what? There's no need to pay for it. There's no need to pay a fee because you know what? Someone like me taught me how to trade not too long ago. And I'm doing that for the community that I've been part of for the last, 4.5 years, thanks to Apple. And you know what? Some of those great traders taught me, and I'm giving back. And this is a way I give back to our community as well. So I want to wish all you traders a fantastic day. Good luck in the market. I'll see you here for the pre-market. All right, team. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message. My DMs are open. As always, good luck in the market, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, team.